So today we are going to find the area of a square. When we are talking about area, it is the amount of space occupied by a two-dimensional shape. So the two-dimensional shape is a flat shape and has two dimensions, which are the length and the width. In order for us to solve the area of our square, we are going to use the formula A is equals to S squared. Our S is the length of one side of our square. So in order for us to solve the square, we have here our length, or the one side, is equals to 15 centimeter. So we all know that the all side of the square equals sila lahat. If this is 15 cm or 15 centimeter, this is also 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and 15 centimeter. Area is equals to 15 squared. Okay, so again, this is our side. 15 squared, so that will be 225. So the area is measured by square unit. So we have here centimeter, so that will be centimeter squared. Our answer is area is equals to 225 centimeters squared.